Give me a high five, give me a high five, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Yeah! Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Oh, I can't wait till you are completed. Almost done, guys. It's gonna be awesome having a Chick-fil-A right nearby. Don't do it. Son? Grandpa wasn't even looking back there when he pulled out. Snow cone! I love snow cones. We gotta go back and give him a spam card. If they're still there. Are they still there? Where'd they go? Oh, they're up here now. Give me a high five, give me a high five, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Yeah! Doing great.
You must be a Navy SEAL, right?
No, I wish. What's up, dude? Fine, don't wave. There's boats. Boats everywhere. Boats and jet skis. It's women's on jet skis. Oh, skunk. Oh, nasty, dead skunk. Very much dead. Oh. Oh, that's nasty. I'm choking. I'm okay. Now offering e-livery service. They offer e-livery service. That's new. Women's. Ooh, we got the women sunbathing on the beach. You guys watch YouTube?
What?
You guys watch YouTube?
Yes.
Here, something to waste your time on. I do motovlog videos.
Right now?
Yeah.
Right.
Do a pose. Do something. Gotta get rid of all these old spam cards I've got. Get the new ones out with the new logos on it, so anyone I see getting a spam card today. Aw, puppy! There was a puppy. It was a schnauzer. Oh, it's so cute.
I like a GoPro.
Thanks.
Hey, red line. Those Indians are nice.
Yeah. You'll be in this week's video.
You do videos?
Yeah. I gotta get a spam card holder for my windshield. I couldn't get them out of my pocket quick enough. Poor guy didn't get a spam card. Dude. Here. Spam card for my YouTube channel.
What's your username?
MOTOBLADE.
Got it. Gotcha.
Bro, don't do it. What the heck, bro? What the heck? Moron was still sitting in the oncoming lane back there, still trying to get into this lane to go forward. Idiot. How do you like the Fat Bob? Yeah. I did a test ride on the 114 version. Is that what that is, or is that the 107? Yeah. Man, that thing hauls ass.
I like that GoPro. What'd that cost you?
A couple $100. I got it wired up to a microphone actually inside the helmet. If you guys want, here's some spam cards.
Awesome.
Ride safe, guys.